Welcome to Donna Cooking, and in this week's video I'm going to show you how to make a really quick and easy dinner in 30 minutes. So come on with me and let's get started. Super easy dinner that I put together tonight, and the potatoes were done in the air fryer with no oil, so that's good. And the salmon also was cooked in the oven at 375 for only 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how thick your salmon is. Some steamed green beans, and voila, there's your dinner for tonight. Now, one thing you do have to prepare ahead to make this meal really fast is to have your potatoes all cooked and cube them up and have them already done in the refrigerator. The seasoning from Trader Joe's works really great on the salmon, and I also like to use dill, salt, and pepper, and it tastes really great with the lemon. Thanks for coming along with me in this week's video. Please comment below if you'd like to have more videos on meals in 30 minutes. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, happy cooking.